Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can stop spam and unknown calls. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your settings app, then simply go ahead, go to this app settings, and then search up phone. And from this section you need to simply go ahead and go to the section of, then you're going to go ahead, go to silence unknown callers. You're going to make sure you turn this on, so whenever you get an unknown numbers call or a voicemail or anything, so once you get a call from unknown number, it will automatically be silenced. And another thing is unknown callers as well, so you also need to turn this on, so whenever you get missed calls and voicemails for unknown numbers, it will be moved to the unknown caller list automatically, and then you can access it from there. That's what you can do, and that's all there is. Once you have turned off those particular settings, you will be safe from the spam and unknown number calls, and you can check it out. And if you want to save them and make them known, then that's up to you. Otherwise, that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.